Hey guys, I'm Alex from technoclass.com, and this time we're unboxing a Chair Mobile Click. This is sort of the, I guess, brother of the Chair Mobile Sonic, just right here. Since it also has a 1 gigahertz single core processor, but slightly different specs. Actually, some of the specs are actually much better than the Chair Mobile Sonic. They're both priced at $2,899. The Chair Mobile Click has better memory, Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich, but doesn't have a front camera. But it has 3G, I believe. So $2,999. That is it. The Chair Mobile Click. We're gonna unbox it right now. Alright, so the Chair Mobile Click comes in this obviously very standard box. Chair Mobile box there, just slide it out, and this is the phone right here. So as you can see, this is a slightly smaller device than the Sonic because it has a 3.5-inch screen. Same resolution though. So let's go and look for the battery for this thing inside this cardboard thingamajig. Looks like the battery is right here. And this is a 1200 milliamp hour battery. So let's pop it in, turn it on, and then check out the other stuff in here. Okay, that's a little bit hard to open. Oh, okay. Well, alright guys, so with a little bit of a struggle, we have successfully removed the back cover so we can put on the battery right there. This is the there's a SIM 1 and SIM 2 right there. It says W and G and then G2. W and G means that one is 3G. So this one has a 3G capability. So this one, if you need 3G, this is better than the Sonic. Sonic has a larger screen and a front camera. So yeah, let's turn it on. Alright, so there we go. It's booting right now. Let's check out the other stuff inside here. Looks like a white USB charger, plug charger. Probably auto volt. Pretty loud speaker right there. Looks like a standard Chair Mobile one-piece headset with microphone and a button. And this is obviously the also standard micro USB cable for charging and data transfer. Okay, so underneath that we have a Chair Mobile Click user manual. Looks similar to the Chair Mobile Sonic one, which is basically a black and white with pictures manual, about 40 pages, maybe less. And that's about it for the box. Let's check out the phone. Alright guys, so as previously mentioned, this is now running on the Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich, which looks a lot better than the Android 2.3 gingerbread. But before we talk about the software, we'll check out the parts here. This is a smaller 3.5-inch screen. And if you want to compare it to a 4-inch screen that looks like that, these are both the same resolution at 320 by 480, so you're not actually losing any pixels. It's just a little bit smaller, a little bit tightly packed. Running Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich. There is no front camera right there. Speaker grill right there, if you can get that to enlighten. 3 capacitive buttons right here: menu, home, and back. And there's no search button because it's using a Android 4.0. Kind of lonely up here. There's no logos or anything. On the left side, there's a micro USB port. Let's get that to focus maybe. Micro USB port for charging and data transfer. Over on the bottom, there's nothing. The microphone looks like this little pinhole right there. And on the right side, there's just a knob to open the back. Volume rocker, which looks kind of sleek. Up on the top, we have a 3.5mm headset jack. Focus, please. 3.5mm headset jack and a power and unlock key. And that's about it. On the back, you have your standard speaker grill, Chair Mobile logo in about grayish white. Click logo, same color. And your 2 megapixel camera with no flash as well. It says digital camera. It doesn't say 2 megapixels. But there is your camera right there. So the back of the Click here is a soft touch plastic in sort of a rubbery one. This particular model comes in white, blue, red, or black. Obviously we have the blue one. And if you want to compare it real quick to the Sonic is a super shiny white, super glossy white. Not very fingerprint magnety because it's white. This one does not take fingerprints at all because, well, it's a matte plastic. But that's about it for the design. Let's check out the interface. Alright, so here is the interface of the Cherry Mobile Click here. And as you can see, this is running Android 4.0 Ice Cream Sandwich, which is actually pretty good. Compared to the Sonic, at least, which runs Gingerbread. And it's actually very snappy, very smooth. This has a slight bit of advantage of memory. This has 512 MB of RAM and 512 MB of ROM, which means you have more app space for yourself. Let's just check that for through the settings right here, storage. And there you go. You have 192 internal storage. And obviously you can check the RAM with the mini info right here, 476 MB. Obviously the system takes up a little bit and you are left with 476 MB, which is decent. And you can run various applications. You can multitask a little bit. Sometimes the widgets will reload afterwards because some of applications are actually big. But you can play some games like Temple Run 2, Angry Birds, and stuff like that. We'll check out a game or two right now. Alright guys, so we're taking a look at Temple Run 2, which the Cherry Mobile Sonic could not handle, but the Cherry Mobile Click could handle fine. And as you can see, the frame rate is actually pretty good, and the controls work great. Very playable. I would say this is actually kind of enjoyable if you're looking for something to play on your Cherry Mobile Click. But yeah, that's a pretty quick assessment, and I think that's very conclusive. So let's check out something else. Alright guys, so here's a quick run through of Angry Birds, and obviously it runs pretty good. And as you can see right there, let's try and see what happens here. Yeah, frame rate's pretty good, looks very competent, and I don't care piggies. I just destroy structures. Anyway, yeah, Angry Birds runs fine. Cherry Mobile Click seems to handle the at least simple games. This is only a 1 GHz single core processor, so we wouldn't test it on very hardcore 3D games anyway. So yeah, seems to run fine. Alright guys, so probably the most interesting part about this phone, and even the Sonic, they have a system software update thing, and I believe the Click has an update for itself. So we're gonna try that right now, and as you can see, update package information, blah 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 blah. We're gonna press yes and see what happens. So stay with me. We'll be trying to update you what's going on here. Ready to, oh wow, that was quick. Alright, update now. Yes. Alright, so it looks like we're updating. I don't know how long this lasts, so bear with me guys. See what happens. Alright guys, so I saved you the trouble. About 5 minutes later, I didn't have to do anything. But now it says software has been successfully updated. I didn't check the version numbers that I needed, but it looks like it's been updated. So let's check what version number we are at. 404? I guess they just changed the build number. I don't know what actually changed though. I can't really tell. But it's always good that you have a system software update available. But yeah, that's nice. And if you have a Cherry Mobile Click, be sure to update your device. Alright guys, so I think that's about it for the Cherry Mobile Click, and I think it's offering a little bit of a different feature set compared to the Cherry Mobile Sonic. It's got 3G, but it has a smaller screen. It doesn't have a front-facing camera, but it has better memory, and I guess the design is actually kind of cool as well. So 2,999 pesos. Same sentiments as the Cherry Mobile Sonic though. If you are interested in something better, check out the Cherry Mobile Flare, which is about 1,000 pesos more. So yeah, that's about it. I'm Alex from technoclass.com. This is the Cherry Mobile Click. Thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and as always, if you liked the video, please press the like button below. Add it to your favorites and or share it to your friends. If you got something to say, drop a comment in the comment box as well. Of course, more importantly, you should hit the subscribe button on top. This will keep you up to date with our new uploads and helps us out tremendously too. That's it guys, see you next video.
Guys, don't forget to watch the Big Time Show.